Posture. 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 Noun. Definition: the position in which someone holds their body when standing or sitting. Example: he stood in a flamboyant posture with his hands on his hips. Noun. Definition: a particular way of dealing with or considering something, an approach or attitude. Example: labor unions adopted a more militant posture in wage negotiations. Verb. Definition: behave in a way that is intended to impress or mislead. Example: a billionaire posturing as a hero of the working class. Verb. Definition: place someone in a particular attitude or pose. Example: and still these two were postured motionless.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.